Hi everybody. Welcome to the last mathematical instructional video of 2020. It has been my greatest pleasure to teach you all the things you need to know, to say things in silly voices and pretend it was different days by changing my outfit, even though I recorded all the videos on Monday. And I loved singing songs to you and wondering if you were joining me, and I'm just really gonna miss this. So here we go. This is lesson number 143 in your really good math book, and its title is Solving Equations. Remember, an equation is a mathematical sentence containing an equal sign, and so it's kind of like this grammar curse that we've been in, and when you have an equation you have to solve, they put letters in there, and this is like stuff that we used to do together in the 3rd grade. Then this is it. In honor of the last day, I wore something more casual to represent that summer is on its way, and that this is almost over. So, okay, I think that we should just get started. Okay, here we go. I got my blue pen. I lost it in another video. So, section 2. I'm going to do 2A and 2C with you, but you have to do 2B. And you have to do section 1, and it will help you to figure out section 1, and then I'm going to do 3A with you, but not 3B. Because 3B is just too easy, and you're going to have a lot of fun doing it, because you're going to feel really good that you know how. Because we've been doing this together, so please put your name and today's date at the top of the page. It's May 28th, 2020. Hi, Miss Caitlin. Who are you? Are you Riley? Are you Malott? Are you Wisdom? Are you Lucy? Are you Jill? Are you El Nathan? Noah, are you watching? Okay. Here we go. N plus 6 equals 4 times 4. Now remember, step number 1, do what you know. Do we know what N plus 6 is? No, we don't. So we're just going to ignore it for now. We're going to do what we know. So, I copy what I don't know. And then I do what I do know. 4 times 4 is 16. That's really good, everybody. And then step number 2, we're going to do the opposite. I really hope I know how to spell this word right now. Oh, I have to check my dictionary. Remember, all professional writers have people who help them to proofread, and even teachers need a dictionary. M-N-O-P, O-P-P, opposable, opposeless, opposite. I did it right. Yay. Okay. What is the opposite of n plus 6? It's minus 6. And then whatever you do on the left, you have to do on the right. Remember when we used to draw this kitty cat? She's happy. Okay, so we do the opposite. What's the opposite of addition? It's subtraction. All right, then I cross this out and I go n equals 16 minus 6 is 10. And now we check and we put what we know or what we think we know, inside the original equation. We replace this letter with the number we found. So now we have 10 plus 6 equals 4 times 4. And I do 16 is 16, check, and then I circle that answer. I'm okay. 2C. 2C. Number 1, do what you know. Do I know what n minus 8 is? No, I don't. So I just copy it, and I make sure all my equal signs are lined up. Okay. N minus 8 equals, and then 21 minus 4, I think that's 17. Okay. And then I do the opposite, and I spelled it right. The opposite of minus 8 is plus 8. I do the copycat on both sides, and then I cross it out. And I go n is 17 plus 8, which is 25. And then I replace it. I think it's 25, and so I'm going to try it out. Okay. 25 minus 8. Oh, I'm going to draw my equal sign first, so it's all lined up. Okay, 25 minus 8, 21 minus 4, n minus 8, 21 minus 4. Okay. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Okay, just making sure. 20, 19, 18, 17. Okay. It's the same, and I circle this. Remember, step number 4 is do actual math. And that time I did it on my fingers to make sure I was really doing it. Okay. Please fill in the parts in section 1 and do section 2B, and I'm going to do 3A with you right now. Okay. I'm okay. Here we go. Matt wanted to buy his father a nice birthday present, which is really nice. Father's Day is coming up in like a couple weeks, so you might want to think about that. Okay. He had $27.50 to spend. He found a Bible that had originally cost $25 but was 1/5 off. Okay. And how much money did he have left after buying the Bible? So, when something is on sale, there are 2 things that we need to do. Step number 1 is divide, and step number 2 is subtract, okay? You have to divide first and then subtract. So it's 1/5 off. We know that when you have a fraction and a whole number, you're probably going to divide. Okay. So the original cost of the Bible was $25, and we want 1/5 of 25. So that means 25 divided by 5, which I think is 5. And I'm right. And I proved it. You have to prove how you got your answer, okay? See how fast this is going? It can be really fast. So, I've divided, and now I need to subtract. I take the original amount, and I subtract what the fraction is. 25 minus 5 is now $20. Okay, so I've divided and I've subtracted. Okay, so the Bible's now $20. He had $27.50 to spend. How much money did he have left after buying the Bible? So the final question, have left, tells us to, just tell me one last time. It means to subtract. Good job. So I take what he had, which was $27.50, and I subtract the new cost of the Bible, and I get how much he has left. Okay. Matt had $7.50 left. I'm going to be creative one more time. Okay. I wrote Matt had $7.50 left. He could buy a super jammin' card or a really fancy donut with that. And then in parentheses all the way down here, I wrote 21st century prices with a emoji face. Am I done? Am I done? Am I finished? I hope you said no, because you are about to enter into the 5th grade and you know what to do right now. The circle is complete. Okay, if you have any questions, or just you want to say, do you need help with something, or you miss me, you just text me, okay? Or call me, or write me an email, and my office hours are from 9 until 6:30, so if you contact me after 6:30, I'm not going to respond, but I'll get back to you when my office hours begin again, and I hope your stories are going really well. And I can't wait to Zoom with you next week and study for your Bible quiz, and I hope to see you at the pool party. Okay. I'm okay. I just love you. Okay. I'm okay. You're so great. You're going to do really well. You're going to do really, really well. Okay.